Did you know that after the age of 40, the average person loses 3 to 5% of their muscle mass every decade? And it's not just about looking fit. It's about staying strong, mobile, and injury-free as you age. But here's the good news. You can actually reverse years of damage and rebuild your strength with just a few simple moves. No fancy equipment, no gym membership, just your body and a little bit of time. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 5 isometric holds that reverse years of damage after 40. These exercises are game changers for rebuilding strength, improving posture, and even reducing joint pain. Whether you're 40, 50, or beyond, these holds are designed to help you feel younger and stronger than ever. So, if you're ready to take control of your health, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's get started. First up, we have the wall sit. This is one of the most effective isometric holds for strengthening your quads, glutes, and core. And trust me, it's harder than it looks. Here's how you do it. Stand with your back against a wall, slide down until your knees are at a 90-degree angle, and hold. Sounds simple, right? But here's the kicker. Most people give up after just 20 seconds. The key is to start small, aim for 30 seconds and work your way up to a full minute. Why is this so powerful? As we age, our legs tend to weaken, which can lead to balance issues and even falls. The wall sit not only builds strength but also improves stability. Plus, it's a great way to sneak in a workout while binge watching your favorite show, multitasking at its finest. But let's talk about the science behind it. Isometric exercises like the wall sit create tension in your muscles without movement, which helps improve muscle endurance and joint stability. This is especially important after 40, when our joints start to feel the wear and tear of daily life. Pro tip: if you're feeling adventurous, try adding a small weight on your lap or lifting one leg slightly off the ground. This will take the exercise to the next level and challenge your balance even more. Next, we have the plank, the ultimate core strengthener. But before you roll your eyes and say, "Not another plank video," hear me out. The plank isn't just about getting a six-pack, though that's a nice bonus. It's about building a strong, stable core that supports your entire body. Poor core strength is a major contributor to back pain, especially after 40. By holding a plank for just 30, 60 seconds a day, you can strengthen your abs, lower back, and even improve your posture. Here's how to do it right. Start in a push-up position, but rest on your forearms instead of your hands. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engage your core, and hold. Now, let's talk about common mistakes. A lot of people let their hips sag or lift their butt too high, which takes the focus off the core. To avoid this, imagine you're balancing a glass of water on your back. You want to keep it steady. And if a full plank is too challenging, start with a modified version on your knees. The goal is progress, not perfection. Remember, it's not about how long you can hold it. It's about maintaining proper form. Fun fact: planks also work your shoulders, arms, and glutes, making it a full-body exercise. So, if you're short on time, this one move can do wonders for your overall strength. Now let's talk about your glutes. Yes, your glutes. As we age, our glutes tend to fall asleep, literally. Sitting for long periods weakens these muscles, which can lead to lower back pain and poor posture. Enter the Glute Bridge Hold. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Squeeze your glutes at the top and hold for 20, 30 seconds. This move not only strengthens your glutes but also engages your hamstrings and lower back. But why are glutes so important? Strong glutes help stabilize your pelvis, which is crucial for maintaining balance and preventing injuries. Plus, they play a key role in activities like walking, running, and even standing up from a chair. Pro tip: to make this exercise more challenging, try lifting one leg off the ground while holding the bridge. This single leg variation will really fire up those glutes and test your stability. Fun fact: strong glutes can actually make you look taller and more confident. So, if you've been skipping leg day, it's time to wake up those glutes. Ever feel like your back is constantly aching? You're not alone. After 40, our back muscles tend to weaken, leading to poor posture and chronic pain. That's where the Superman hold comes in. Lie face down, extend your arms and legs and lift them off the ground. Hold this position for 20-30 seconds. This move targets your lower back, glutes, and shoulders, helping to counteract the effects of sitting all day. But let's dive deeper into why this exercise is so effective. The Superman hold strengthens the erector spinae muscles, which run along your spine and help you maintain an upright posture. It also engages your glutes and hamstrings, making it a great move for overall posterior chain strength. Pro tip: if lifting both arms and legs feels too intense, start by lifting just your arms or just your legs. As you build strength, you can work up to the full Superman. Think of it as your secret weapon against the dreaded desk hunch. And hey, who doesn't want to feel like a superhero, even if it's just for 30 seconds? Last but definitely not least, we have the side plank. This move is a powerhouse for strengthening your obliques, shoulders, and hips. And let's be real, it's also a great way to impress your friends at your next workout session. Start by lying on your side, then lift your body off the ground, balancing on one forearm and the side of your foot. Hold for 20-30 seconds on each side. If this feels too intense, you can modify by dropping your bottom knee to the ground. Why is this so important? A strong core and stable hips are essential for preventing injuries and maintaining balance as you age. Plus, it's a great way to work on that summer beach bod. Just saying. But here's something you might not know. The side plank also improves shoulder stability, which is crucial for everyday activities like lifting groceries or playing with your kids. And if you're feeling adventurous, try lifting your top leg or reaching your top arm toward the ceiling for an extra challenge. Fun fact: the side plank is a favorite among yoga enthusiasts and athletes alike because it's so versatile. Whether you're a beginner or a fitness pro, there's always a way to make this move work for you. And there you have it. 5 isometric holds that reverse years of damage after 40. These simple yet powerful exercises can help you rebuild strength, improve posture, and feel younger than ever. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a workout. And hey, drop a comment below. Let me know which hold was your favorite or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay strong, stay healthy, and keep moving.